Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about database. What is a database and more in detail about it. So this would be a video for the beginners who has no idea about database and are interested to learn about it. This would be a good start. So what is data? Data are the facts that we can record. So for example, a name of a person, a phone number, or images. So, or a phone record book where the name and the number of the people are stored alphabetically. So those are few examples of data. So what is a database then? Database is like collection of that data. Suppose you consider an employee who has joined the company and the employee has a name, he has a phone number, he has an address, and the other data related to the employee would be the department the employee is going to work on, the manager, and all that details is the put together makes your database. And the database management system, that's your DBMS, is nothing but it's a set of program that helps you manipulate the database or whatever information you have stored in the database if you want to change it or you want to store new information. So all that happens through your database management system. So essentially, what happens is a database management system works as a interface between your database and the end user or the application. So all that data is accessed from the database using the database management system. You can use APIs to do that. And if you want to write something into database, that also you have to do through the database management system. There are different types of database management systems available, like your NoSQL, in-memory database management system, and the most popular one is the relational database management system, and we would be learning more about it because Oracle is a relational database. So there are different kind of relational database management systems like Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server. Why it is called relational? Because in this particular database management system, the objects are related to each other. So that's why it is called as relational database management system. To give you an example, employee table is related to a department table because employee would be assigned to a particular department, and employee and department are two different objects and they are related. So we will talk more on the relationships, what are the different types of relationships as we go further and as we record more videos. Next are talk about entity relationship diagrams. Entity relationship diagrams is a way to represent your database. So, and show the relationship between different entities. Entities are entities like employee, department is an entity, and the project that the employee is going to work on is a different entity, and how all these entities are related together. To pick that, put that in a pictorial manner before even we implement it, it is important for us to physically see how the entire database would be visualized. Uh, so to do that, we are using entity relationship diagram, and using entity relationship diagram, we design the database, and after designing the database, then uh, we go ahead and implement it or really create it. So what are the different types of relationship that we one-to-one work? To give an example for one-to-one, like employee is assigned with an ID. An employee can have only one ID when working in a particular company. You cannot have multiple IDs. So that is one employee and one ID associated to each other. So that is called as one-to-one. What is one-to-many? So one-to-many is, to tell you an example, department. Uh, a single department can have multiple employees. So many employees can work in a single department. So that is something which represents one-to-many. When it comes to many-to-many, if you consider books and authors, there are multiple books which has multiple authors. So that is a many-to-many relationship. So if you are interested to know more about the entity relationship diagrams, do leave us a comment below. We would try to make a video on entity relationship diagram in general. So this gives a brief introduction to the database, and we would be recording further videos which would be more detailed and on the topics related to Oracle, SQL, PL so stay tuned and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.